How do I replace burned out light bulb in model FE-LP009 exhaust fan/ceiling light?
How long have you had your?
How does one access the bulb unit in the fan? What type of bulb do we need for the nightlight which has burned out in 4 years?
The technician will be able to walk you through that. The technician will be able to walk you through that. What have you tried so far?
With difficulty, we have figured out how to get fan released from ceiling. Cannot see how to get into casing holding bulbs.
The technician will be able to walk you through that. Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
Exhaust fan. Model FE-LP009.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is. Allow me a few moments while I do some research. My recommendation will appear shortly. Can you double check the model number as that number does not produce results?
Not easily. It will take me 5 minutes at least. Can you keep contact? This is the model. No. The nightlight bulb. No. Is SD18 bulb 4 watts? Cancel the credit card trial membership as I have not received a usable finish to our conversation.
Were you able to get the model number? Are you looking for a replacement bulb or wanting to remove the fixture cover to access the bulb? Greetings. Just following up to see if you still needed some help answering your question. You can reply to this email to let me know, and if further assistance is needed, please include any helpful photos using the Add Files button, and I will continue working on a practical solution addressing each of your questions and concerns. Thanks, Dave.
The model number was the same as the one I originally gave above. We have had it for 4 years. I want to open the fixture light bulb casing inside in order to take out the night light and replace it. I don't see how to do it. The cover of the whole fan fixture is held to the ceiling by spring clips on 2 sides, much like many ceiling fixtures. I will get to Home Depot where it was purchased to see if they have something like it or have to call the original electrician who installed it. Or just buy a stick-on-the-wall nightlight for the small bathroom. Thanks.
Everything I have reviewed shows the LED nightlight lamp attached to the grille assembly. If you follow the wire that connects the grille assembly to the fan box, that will lead to the lamps, which may or may not be replaceable. This is the replacement grille number that should work with your model fan, however I have not been able to locate one in stock. FFE3400149S. This is a link to a service manual that shows the various parts and the specific grille. While your model fan is not listed, the parts should be identical, however I was not able to locate a replacement grille. https://s3.amazon.com/s3.supplyhouse.com/product_files/panasonic FE0510VSL1servicemanual.pdf.
Thanks for your continuing search. I think further interest of either of us unwarranted. As you say, it may not even be replaceable. I'll leave it as is.
Best, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.